The snapshot icon is located in the dashboard menu and puts 3 icons next to each child. They work like a traffic light. If the child is doing well, the icon is green. If the child is doing poorly, it's red. If they're starting to struggle, it will be yellow. It will be gray if there isn't enough data to be meaningful. The top is the academic icon. That shows how well the student is doing with formative assessment. The middle shows behavior, and the bottom shows attendance. Here is where you'll spot a student who is beginning to struggle much sooner than you might otherwise. It will also keep you cognizant of those who are struggling as you work to help them improve. You're able to drill down and see more using the behavior and attendance options.